Next command is stretch command. You can select stretch command from here, and this shortcut for stretch command is str. I create a rectangle on which we apply stretch command. I select stretch command, click here. Now select the area. I select this area. It covers this point and this point, both corners. Click here. After clicking, press space button. Now select this point. Move cursor in right side and click here. It will be stretch. For stretching this side, again select stretch command. Click here. Now select this area. It covers these both corners. Press space button. Select this point. Move cursor in this direction, downside. Click here. It will stretch in downside. You can also stretch two rectangles at same time. I select stretch command. Click here. Now select the area. I select this area. Press space button. Now select this point and move cursor in this side and click here. Here is a rectangle on which we apply dimension. Select stretch command. I select this portion. Press space button. This is 220 mm. I select this point and type here dimension. I type here 50. Press enter. It will be at 50 mm. It was 220 mm. 220 plus 50, 270 mm. Similarly in this side, I select stretch command. Click here. Select this portion which cover these both points, both corners. Now I select stretch command. Click here. Cover these both end corners. Press space button. Select this point and type dimension. I type here 50 mm. Press enter. Now see here. Now this time this one is 150 mm. This is the stretch command.